Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send snap to everyone at once in Snapchat. It's pretty simple. First, what you want to do is create a group. So to create a group, what you want to do is first you want to click a snap. It doesn't matter, it could be a random snap. Just click on snap and click on send to at the bottom right. Once you click on send to, at the top right corner you can see the little plus button. Right above, like where it shows you a list of emoji, that is basically all the groups which I created. So basically you also have to create a group now. So click on the plus button and now you can create yourself a group. So click on new shortcut and over here choose the people you want on that group. So whenever I click on the group, the snap is going to be sent to all these people at once. So after I choose the people, at the top it says choose emoji, click on it. And over here you need to choose an emoji for the group. So I'm going to choose this heart as an emoji for this group and click on create shortcut. Once I do that, as you guys can see at the top, the heart is being shown. Now what I need to do is just click on the heart and click on select over here, which is right beside send to. And every single person on this group has been selected automatically. I can click on this arrow and the snap will be sent to all these people on this group all at once. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.